Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Heartland Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Heartland Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit. There you can see Login Heartland Payroll. Or directly go to secure.globalpay.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Heartland Payroll. There, enter your email address, then enter your password. To view your password, you can click to this show icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Heartland Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to forgot your password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.